Hi, I'm Bernadeta. This is Syntax Project 2. Part 1. I choose grammatical relations. Grammatical relations in RLG. Construction specific view. Grammatical relations are not universal but depend on specific constructions, functions. They help track a reference who is doing what is whom. Competing views. The first is universal categories, example subject. The second is constructions-based relations, RLG view. No grammatical relations, radical constructions, grammar. Conventions use word order, case marking, conference, and more. Privileged synthetic argument or PSA concept. Replace subject used to explain cross-clause reference alignment patterns. English is a variable SU. Tagalog semantic or pragmatic topic rules. Typology language differ in how PSA is marketed and used. Key insight: PSAs are language and construction specific, not universal. What are relative clauses? The second, I choose relative clause. The definition's relative clause is adds into a sentence but cannot stand alone. Structure use relative pronouns that, which, who, whom, whose, or adverbs where, when, why. Examples: I want a pizza that is spicy. The place where we met was crowded. Example: I feel like eating a pizza that is really spicy. Types of relative clauses and uses rules. Restrictive versus non-restrictive. Restrictive: essential info, no commas. No restrictive: extra into whose, comma. Who versus whom. Who, same subject. Whom is same object of verb or prepositions. That versus which. That is restrictive, no comma. Which is non-restrictive with comma. Invisible: that the pizza that I order blank 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 that can be omitted if it's object. Part 2, make a diagram tree. So the sentence number 1 is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Sentence structures. The sentence consists of a noun phrase or NP as the subject and a verb phrase or VP as the predicate. 3 explanations. NP is the quick brown fox. Determinant is the adjective as quick brown, and noun is fox. VP is jump over the lazy dog. Verb is jumps. Prepositional phrase or PP. PP prepositions is over, and NP is the lazy dog. For number 2 is the girl who is wearing a red dress is dancing. Sentence structure is this is a complex sentence with a relative clause modifying the noun is girl. For the explanations is main clause the girl is dancing. Subject is NP the girl. Predicate is VP is dancing. Relative clause is who is wearing a red dress. Introduced by relative pronoun is who. Contains its own subject and predicate. Number 3 is Zevano saw the Ezekiel with the telescope. Sentence structures is ambiguous sentence. The prepositional phrase with the telescope can attach in 2 ways, but I just put one options in my presentations. So the Ezekiel with the telescope is NP. The telescope belongs to Ezekiel. Attachment option 2 to VP. So blank 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 with the telescope. Zevano used the telescope to see. Interpretations depends on context. For number 4, C believes that the earth is round. Sentence structures a sentence with a embedded clause, noun clause. The explanation is main clause is C believes is clause, NP is C, VP is believes is clause. Complement clause that the earth is round, introduced by complementizer that contains subject the earth and predicate is round. And the last, number 5, the house where I grew up has been demolished. The sentence structure is a noun phrase with a relative clause and a passive main verb. The explanation is main clause the house has been demolished. NP is the house. VP is has been demolished. Relative clause where I grow up. Introduced by relative adverb is where. The subject is I, verb is grow up, and modifies is house. It seems like a locations. That's all. Thank you.